What's up, guys? It's your girl EFK. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to properly do a squat. The squat is one of the most famous leg exercises there is out there, and for good reason, because it is a compound exercise, which means it works multiple muscle groups. So when you do a squat, you're working out your quads, you're working out your hamstrings, your calves, and of course your glutes. So this exercise alone, just this one exercise, works out your whole lower body. Okay, so to begin, make sure your feet are shoulder length apart, your back is straight, your stomach nice and tight, and then you squat into a seated position. Now I'm going to show you from all angles so you see exactly what I'm doing. So when you squat, you go down and then you come back up and you squeeze your glutes. And then you have your arms out for balance. You know, if you're a little clumsy like me, I put my arms out just for extra balance. And then one of the most important facts of a squat is making sure your knees do not go over your feet. And then you can see I'm coming back up and squeezing my glutes, so you make sure you are tightening that muscle.